Hi, I'm Fadlin.
Hi, my name is Aisha.
Hi, I'm Yuyin.
Application of differentiation has 5, which is related rates, analysis of function 1, analysis of function 2, applied maximum and minimum problems, and also Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Analysis of function 1 have intervals of increasing and decreasing functions and also concavity and inflection points. For analysis of function 2, have relative maximum and minimum critical points, first and second derivative test, graph of polynomial functions, and also graph of rotational functions.
Now we explain about apply maximum and minimum. It also known as optimization and was used to find a maximum or minimum value. How and when is apply maximum or minimum was used? Apply maximum or minimum were often used in industry world such as in healthcare, engineering, technology and robotics, or many more. For example, if a businessman wants to maximize his profit and minimize his cost, then he can use this method of optimization. Other example is in engineering industry. This method is crucial in designing and optimizing system like to find a load that engines or structures that one can withstand. Then how to solve the problems regarding apply maximum or minimum. The first step is to read and understand the problem given. After that, try to imagine and draw the diagram to help you more understand the problem. By using the diagram, it also can help us to identify which quantity to be maximized or minimized. The next step is to write the formula for the quantity that will be maximized or minimized in terms of variables in the situation. Then you can write any equation to independent variables in the formula that you have written. Using one variable as a function, use the equation to write the quantity that want to be maximized or minimized. Lastly, identify the domain for the function in formula based on the problem to be solved, and you can find the maximum or minimum value of the function from the formula.
Moving on to problem statement. A scientist is doing an experiment of a mitosis in onion root tip under the microscope. The specimen is 2000 micrometer and he wants to enclose his rectangular slide on the specimen. Find the dimension of the field so that the maximum area for slide is enclosed. Here are problem solution. Firstly, extract the information given from the question. Find the parameter. P is equal to 2x plus 2y. Since the specimen is a rectangle of a 2000 micrometer, so we have 2x plus 2y equal to 2000. After that, simplify the equations. X plus y is equal to 1000. Now, express y in terms of x. Y is equal to 1000 minus x is the first equation. Now, let the dimension of the rectangular slide. The area of the rectangle is A is equal to xy. Substitute y equal to 1000 minus x into the area formula. A is equal to xy. So the area is 1000x minus x squared. Next is step 1. Find the first derivative. Area is equal to 1000x minus x squared. First derivative, the equation area becomes 1000 minus 2x. Move to the step 2, let the derivative equal to 0. First is let dA over dx equal to 0. 1000 minus 2x is equal to 0. So that x is equal to 500. Next is step 3. Find the second derivative. Second derivative is 0 minus 2. So it's equal to negative 2. Negative 2 is less than 0. So that x is equal to 500 micrometer is the maximum value. After that, substitute value of x into the equation. Y is equal to 1000 minus x is the first equation. Substitute x equal to 500 micrometer into the equations. So that x is equal to 500 micrometer and y is equal to 500 micrometer. Lastly, calculate the maximum area. A. For the rectangular slide, maximum area is xy. So, substitute the value x and y. 500 times 500 is equal to 250,000 micrometer. Thus, the maximum area of the rectangular slide that enclosed the specimen is 250,000 micrometers square.
In conclusion, by applying differentiation method using derivative, we can find the maximum or minimum value, which is 250,000 micrometer based on the problem given. Therefore, it is crucial for us to understand the applied maximum and minimum in order for us to apply the method and solve the problems or situation regarding it in our daily life. This method is useful to apply not only in daily life but also in industry work like business, astronomy, and more that involving finding a maximum or minimum value.